Hello everyone, I am Aarti Jha from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE Board. This video is for Class 1 students, subject Maths. Hello everyone, students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is chapter 11, Time and Calendar. In this part, I will teach you how to read and write time. So we will start with the help of a story. Look here, story of two teddies. Now these two teddy bears, they will teach us how to complete our work on time. So let's start. We will read together. Let us see what they do the whole day. Now in the morning at 6 o'clock, see, at 6 o'clock the teddies wake up. Look here in the watch, at 6 o'clock they wake up. Next, at 7 o'clock they have their breakfast. Look here, at 7 o'clock they have their breakfast. At 8 o'clock they go to the school. So we should go to school at time. At 2 o'clock they come back from school. Look here. At 4 o'clock they play. At 5 o'clock they have their study. Look here. Now at 8 o'clock they watch television. Now last one. At 9 o'clock they go to sleep. Bye. Good night. Now students, you all saw how these teddy bears, they complete their each work on time. So what is moral of the story? Yes, we should complete our work on time so that we will never make a mistake. Students, now I will teach you how to read time with the help of real clock. Now these kind of clock we all have at home. Now look here, I will teach you how to read time. Now look here, the short hand is at 9, number 9, and big hand is at 12. So how we will read this? It is 9 o'clock. Now when this big hand, see long hand, it will move from 12. Look here, it will complete one round. See, these hands are moving in a circular manner. Look here, when it will complete one round, now you can see long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 10. So what is time now, students? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. Now one more example. Once again, and this long hand move from 12, it will complete one circle round. See, it will stop at 12. So what is time now? It is 11 o'clock. One more example. Now again, long hand is moving from its place. Look here. It will complete one round. You can see both the hands are at 12. Now what is time, students? See, both the hands are at 12. So how we will read this? It is 12 o'clock. So like this you have to read time. These two hands are very important. Long and short hand, they give a proper time. Students, I hope you all understood importance of time. Time is very precious. We should always complete our work on time so that we will never make any mistake. But for that, you should know how to read time, yes or no? Now that we will learn in this part. Look here, reading time. Have you seen a clock? Yes, we all have clock at home. It has two hands like us. One is long and other is short. Remember opposite words, long, short, big, small. So this hand is long, this hand is short. They both move round and round. Yes. Now look here, long hand, short hand. Now what is use of these two hands? The long hand is the minute hand. Yes, long hand shows minute and short hand shows hour. So Look here now. O'clock time. What is meaning of o'clock time? Now look at the clock shown alongside this clock. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 4. So the time shown in the clock is 4 o'clock. It is written as 4. See, dots are there, two zeros, or 4 o'clock. In these two ways you can write time. Now look here. See, in this clock you can see big hand, this long hand is at 12, short hand is at 4. So how we will read this? The time is 4 o'clock. Now next one. When both the hands are on 12, then the time is 12 o'clock. Now let's see these examples. Write the time shown by each clock one has been done for you. Now see, so many clocks are there with different times. Now we have to read and write time. Look here, in the first clock, long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 10. So how we will read and write? See, 10 o'clock, or like this also we can write 10 o'clock. Here short hand is at 7 and long hand is at 12. So 7 o'clock. Now next one, short hand is at 5 and long hand is at 12. So how we will write this? First we will write 5, 2 dots, 2 zeros, then 5 o'clock. Next one, see, both the hands are at 12. That's why you can't see. You can see only one hand. It means both the hands are at 12. Now see, it's written here. When both the hands are on 12, then the time is 12 o'clock. So what we will write here? 12, 2 dots, 0, 0, then 12 o'clock. Next one. See, short hand is at 3 and long hand is at 12. So time is 3 o'clock. We will write like this, 3 o'clock. Done. Now in this part we will do only this much. I hope you all understood. Please complete your book. Now remaining we will complete in the next part. So that's all for today's class, students. Have a good day.